All right, welcome back, gang. You don't know we're here again as the track season continues. We move to Brussels. Some quick news. Elaine Thompson pulled out. And of course, there'll be no Shelley and Fraser Price. And the feature event for the women this time around will be the 200 meters. We have a packed 200-meter women's field, and to me, that is the feature sprint event for the women. So we have Dina Asher Smith, we have Shericka Jackson, we have the African ladies, Beatrice Masalingi and Christine Mboma, and of course, everybody's favorite topic, Sha'Carri Richardson. Now, Sha'Carri makes her return after underperforming, to say the least, in the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene. All right, so I'm going to run through this quick article. It's from Running Magazine out of Canada, and it's written by Marley Dickinson. Why Marley? All right. Say it over. All right. Sha'Carri Richardson will make her return to the track this weekend in Brussels. Richardson will look for redemption at Brussels Diamond League after finishing last at the Pre-Classic. Is there any article that leaves that out? It has been confirmed that Sha'Carri Richardson will return to the Diamond League racing in the 200 meters this Friday in Brussels, after all the drama that unfolded at her race in Eugene, in addition to missing the Olympic Games due to the suspension from USA Track and Field. All right. Now, this is a tweet from Athletics Weekly. It says, "How's this for a women's 200-meter lineup at the Brussels Diamond League? Dina Asher Smith, Shericka Jackson, Beatrice Masalingi, Christine Mboma, and Sha'Carri Richardson." All right. Sha'Carri Richardson will go up against 200-meter specialist and 2019 world champion Dina Asher Smith, and Namibian sprint duo Beatrice Masalinga and Tokyo silver medalist Christine Mboma. Jamaica's Shericka Jackson will also compete in the race. Jackson won bronze in Tokyo in the 100-meter and beat Richardson over the 100-meter distance in Eugene. All right. See if they have anything more. Richardson dropped out of the 200 meters race before it began, as she was disappointed to fall short of expectations in the 100 meters. This race will mark her third 200 meter race for the season. She last ran the event at the Golden Spike Classic in Austria this past May, and she clocked 22.35 seconds. All right. Brussels is the last stop on the Diamond League circuit before the two-day finals in Zurich next week. Action from Brussels will kick off on Friday. I'm not sure of the time because that time wouldn't apply to us. All right. Like we said, some quick housekeeping matters. As I mentioned, the finals is in Zurich, so we have a couple athletes resting. I don't know why Shericka didn't rest. I can go through the entire field for you. So, like we said, we have Dina Asher Smith, Shericka Jackson, Lily Caden, Beatrice Masalingi, Christine Mboma, Sha'Carri Richardson, Rani Rosius of Belgium, and Imke Verveet of Belgium. All right. Look like we lost weight. We're going to continue. You hearing us, Wade?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
All right, cool. All right. So, of all the ladies in the race, I am looking through, and the fastest 200 in the group this year is from the Olympic silver medalist with a season's best of 21.81 that she ran in the Tokyo finals. So that's Christine Mboma, right? Closely behind her season best of 21.82 is Shericka Jackson. All right, and she also ran her So that season best is also her personal best. So both her and Mboma have run their personal best and season best in one this season. All right. Sha'Carri Richardson season best is 22:11, and her personal best is 22 flat. So she has yet to crack that 21. Yeah, so she's yet to go sub 22. All right. Dina Asha is 21:88 personal best, but this season her fastest is 22:06. We can also make honorable mention of Beatrice Masalinga at 22:18. And she ran, that's her season best and personal best that she ran this season. The Belgian ladies, sorry to say, Rosius is at 23:49, and what's this, Vervet is at 23:05. Both are season's best and personal's best that they ran this season. So unless something goes wrong, these two, the Belgians and the German, who's Lily Caden, is also at 23:32 for personal best and season best. So these are the people that will be making up the back of the pack. All right. So the fastest people this year are definitely, it's Mboma, followed by Jackson, and then
Shericka.
Yeah, followed by Shericka, and then it's between then it's Asha Smith, followed by Sha'Carri. All right. In terms of a head-to-head, I think it's more of a battle between Shericka and Mboma.
For sure.
For sure. It's a good race for Sha'Carri. You know what I mean?
It depends on how she plays it. It depends on how she markets herself right now. And right now, she's going to have to understand she has to carry herself almost like a brand, because the world is watching her. And she has to come out there and put out a message of that, you know, this isn't even my race. I'm not really a top seed in this, but I'm just going to work out the bugs and compete and do my best and come with a humble mindset that you're coming here to compete, to kind of take that pressure off of you and to help herself focus. She has to come into there with that type of mentality right now. And is she going to come in there and play top dog where she's not top dog? It's going to even put her in a worse position, because it's interesting in the intro when you said, you know, they'll never stop mentioning her name without mentioning the embarrassing defeat, because it was embarrassing. I didn't even know, I didn't take the time out to do American media's reaction, and I actually been YouTubing a couple videos on American content creators who was responding to it, and it was bad.
Yes, it was bad.
I didn't even understand how big it was. I thought Jamaicans and Jamaican Twitter had lashed out on her. It looked like what we pushed was a drop in the bucket compared to what she was getting. It's bad. She's always going. This is what she is known for now. So the 10-7 don't even matter no more. It really don't.
It's really disappointing, because it's a distraction that she don't need. All she need, my advice is to her, is do as less talk, more work. You know what I mean? So do the press that you have to do, but don't over talk, and go out there, go put in a good run and make that speak for yourself.
That's why she has to put out the message of, yo, I'm just here to compete.
No pressure.
I'm gonna do my best. You know, that kind of message, and come with a humbling spirit. She really has to come there, and then she has to also use this race now to show. She has a point to prove. She has to finish in at least top 4. She has to set an objective, because she came dead last in her last competition, and the world is now watching you to come last again. The odds are again to see if you're a real fighter now. You talk a good talk.
The focus now to Shericka. This should be her shot at seeing if she was really a medal contender in that 200-meter finals.
When did Mboma run her PB? When did Mboma run her personal best?
In the Olympic final.
in the Olympic final.
Yeah, in Tokyo.
That means she's peaking in form right now.
Yeah.
This is an uphill fight for Shericka.
Yeah, man, it's definitely a strong fight. This is minus Shelly, minus Elaine, Shelly, and Talu, and Gabby. They're about to go fight it out and see who's the best of the rest. You know what I mean? I think this is where Mboma will stand up and say, yo, I deserve my medal. You know what I mean?
Right.
I think only Gabby Thomas should have been at the race for say, yo, I deserve my medal. Not that Shericka is, you know what I mean, guaranteed or owed any medal. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to get that give that impression out there. You get what you work for. You know what I mean?
Right.
And she didn't get the medal because she made her mistake in her race. You know what I mean? And she's gonna have to wait to see if she can make up for that, you know what I mean? Because that's a medal miss, but we're still proud of her because she has been working hard all season. She put in the work and she deserves all the credit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She represented her country well. We just hope that, we just kind of just got one regret that she never get for throw her dice in the 200-meter finals, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So I really think it's between Shericka and Mboma, but you can't count out Dina Asher-Smith or Sha'Carri Richardson. So let's see how this one works out with. You know what I mean?
I think it's definitely for Sha'Carri though. It would be one hell of a statement and one hell of a comeback and to spin things around. If she does do performs with it. So let's see. It's gonna be very interesting.
Yeah, man. Let's see how it goes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's the 3rd. That's Friday. Stay tuned and see how it goes. And you don't know, we will be here to report on the results. All right, bro. Bless up, and thanks to everybody. Like and subscribe. See you next time.